Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tutorials Hub. This is Amitabh, your teacher. In this video, we will talk more about some grammatical errors with rectification. So let's start. First is too or enough. This shirt is too enough for me. This is an incorrect sentence. What will be the correct one? This shirt is too big for me. Here, too is used before adjectives and adverbs. So, in the above sentence, use too with the adjective big. Enough is used before nouns. For examples, I don't have enough time. The ring was too small. Second one is gerunds. We enjoy to go for walk after dinner. This is an incorrect sentence. The correct one will be we enjoy going for walk after dinner. Here, a gerund is a verb form which functions as a noun. In other words, a gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. There are some verbs like dislike which are always followed by a gerund. Examples: we enjoy going for a walk. Here, gerund always follows the verb enjoy. I love eating ice cream. Now moving on to the third one, which is possession shared by two persons. It is Smith's and Peter's car. It is an incorrect one. What will be the correct sentence? It is Smith and Peter's car. Here, use apostrophe only after the name of the second person. For example, this is Mark and Smith's house. Fourth one is his, hers, its. The dog lost his bone. Here, the gender is unknown. The correct one will be the dog lost its bone. Here, use it if you don't know the gender of an animal. For example, his dog participates in many dog shows. It has won many prizes. Moving on to the next. Well or good. He feels well. It is an incorrect one. Correct one will be he feels good. Here, use good when expressing happiness. For examples, she feels good after attending a concert. He feels good by working for the company. Moving on to next. Well or good. She cooks good. An incorrect one. Correct one will be she cooks well. Here, use well when expressing a quality of someone or something. For example, the machine works well. She sings well. Next is each is or each are. Each of the cars are fast. This is an incorrect one. The correct one will be each of the cars is fast. Here, use singular verb with indefinite pronouns such as each, none, neither. Example, each of the students is fast. Neither of them is my classmate. One of my friends is obese. Next one, one of the. One of the train is late. This is an incorrect one. The correct one will be one of the trains is late. Here, in the above sentence, The singular countable noun train follows the quantifier one, which requires a plural noun. For example, Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. He is one of my best friends. Next is police is or police are. The police is coming. This is an incorrect one. What will be the correct one? The police are coming. Here, use plural form are when referring to police in general. The word police is an aggregate noun, a word representing an indefinite number of parts. Aggregate nouns have a plural form. When referring to a single person or a specific department, use singular is. For example, the police are blocking off the street where the robbery occurred. The police department is at the corner of the main street. Let's talk about the next one. Misplaced adverbs. He almost washed all of the cars. This is an incorrect one. What will be the correct one? He washed almost all of the cars. Here, be careful where the adverb is placed in the sentence, as it has a different meaning. Both the sentences above have the different meaning. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.